Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix client onboarding with DocuSign easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin fixing client onboarding with DocuSign, first, log into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates tab located in the main menu. Click on New to create a new template for your onboarding process. Next, select Use a template to start building your onboarding template from scratch. Add the relevant documents that clients need to fill out during the onboarding process. Click on Add Document and upload the necessary files for your onboarding process. After uploading, it's time to set up the signing fields. Drag and drop the required fields into the document, such as signature, name, and date fields. Ensure each field is properly labeled to guide the client through the process. Once the fields are set, navigate to the Recipients section. Add your clients as recipients for the onboarding template. Assign roles to each recipient based on their needs, such as signer or carbon copy. You can also set the signing order if necessary, ensuring a smooth flow. After configuring recipients, review the settings for authentication options if needed. Next, name your template clearly for easy identification later. Once everything looks good, click the Save and Close button to finalize the template. To send the template to a new client, go to the Templates tab again and select your newly created template. Click Use Template to start a new envelope with your onboarding template. Fill in the recipient's details, ensuring accuracy for smooth communication. Customize the email message to the client, explaining the onboarding process briefly. Once your message is set, click Send to deliver the onboarding documents to your client. Monitor the status of the document in the Manage tab to see when the client has opened and signed. After your client completes the onboarding documents, download and store them for your records. Finally, follow up with your client to confirm that everything was clear and address any questions they might have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.